Good morning, everybody. Spoken English for grade 2 students. Model questions. Some of the questions are communicative and some are spoken. The communicative questions are based on real life contexts or real life communicative skills. So let me start the first question. First question is between Faris and Baye. US and Iran have made the final agreement and have signed on Friday. Look the question, please. It is a communicative question actually, because I prepared the question based on the worldwide current context. What is your view regarding the opening statement? So basically you depend on the opening statement and you can just reply with an not aggressive expression but rather assertive expression. So assertive means expression which is relevant to his opening statement here. US and Iran have made the final agreement and have signed on Friday. What is the expected expression from Baye? It's not my business. So it's an aggressive expression when somebody tells, when somebody told this kind of views, you cannot reply for it's not my business. There is an expected response, please. This very stupid expression. A lot of people were displaced. Of course, it's obvious actually, but it's not true. Marvelous, marvelous, yes, right. Marvelous, which is stunning, or marvelous, which is amazing. Unexpected, yes. Marvelous means unexpected. Well, Strait of Hormuz is still closed. That's not the correct response here, because the question is not focusing on Strait of Hormuz, but totally an agreement, final agreement. Marvelous, because people in the world do not expect that both the two countries reach consensus or reach an agreement. So if they hear this news suddenly, so people, including me, says marvelous is really amazing, stunning view. So the answer is here. ፊሊንግ ነው የምንገልጸው እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ስንሰማ አትሊስት ኤክስፔክትድ የማናደርገው ነገር ነው። ስለዚህ አትሊስት ሐሳባችን በዚህ በስትሮንግ ፊሊንግ መልክ ነው የምንገልጸው። ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማን ነው የሚሆነው? ያ marvelous ባነስ ነው። yes marvelous. nice. The other question number 2 please. Let me just I appreciate the negotiators. They have used the loss and gain system. I appreciate the negotiators. They have used the loss and gain system. This article is functioned both the loss and the gain system, not only the loss system, please. Alright, article ሁለቱንም ነው የምታሳየው, the loss and the gain system ማለት ነው። I appreciate the negotiators. አፕሪሺየት አደረገ ኔጎሽየተሮች ወይም አደራዳሪዎችን እጅግ አድርጌ አደንቃቸዋለሁ። የተጠቀሙት ሲስተም መስጠት ማጣት የሚለውን ሲስተም ተጠቀሙ ነው ኔጎሽየት ያደረጓቸው። መስጠት ወይም ማጣት፣ ማግኘት ወይም ማጣት፣ ማግኘትና ማጣት፣ አንዱ ያገኛል አንዱ just like that please። አንድ የሆነ ነገር ሉዝ ቢያደርግ አንድ የሆነ ነገር ያገኛል ነው። it's a kind of system for negotiating two parties, negotiating for two groups. They are careless negotiators. Is it really a correct response? Possible response here? They are careless. If they are careless, we cannot, or we haven't seen things in the world, in the actual world now. So they are not careless. Certainly is expected. Certain is expected, which is predicted means is expected, is intended. Okay, is expected, right? How do you know this? Yes, of course, we have seen with our naked eyes. We heard on news. And the first hooting just like this. That's not a concern. You cannot enterprise. You cannot reply in terms of your perspective. Not actually name አንዱ ነኝ እንደዚህ ከእንደዚህ ከሚያስቡት ውስጥ አንዱ ነኝ አይደለም። How do you know አይደለም? Certainly is predicted. Yes, certainly is predicted ማለት ይጠበቃል። ሁሉንም ነገር ሁሉንም ጥቅም አግኝተህ ኔጎሽየት ታደርግ አትችልም። አንድ ልታጣ ትችላለህ፣ አንድ ልታገኝ ትችላለህ። is expected ነው፣ is predicted ነው፣ is predicted. Is predicted. So the answer is certainly is predicted. Nice. Question number 3. Dibu and Ephraim. The conversation is Dibu. That's exactly what I always think. ምን ብሎ ድቡ ሲመልስ ሲጠይቀው ኦፕኒንግ ስቴትመንቱ ሲገልጽ Ephraim, that's exactly what I always think ብሎ ሊመልስለት ይችላል። I wonder if you could tell me what you think. No. If Dibu expresses, I wonder if you could tell me what you think. የምታስበውን ብትነግረኝ ላደንቅ እችላለሁ ሲለው that's exactly what I always think መልስ እናገኛለን። irrelevant ነው። have new proposed solutions. Yeah. Have new proposed solutions. That's it. What I think. No. What do you think about that? No. My mind is always busy by the world's current situation. Yeah. We are people, just countries in the world are in confusion, especially developed countries. It's not always developed in developing countries also. Something new happens in every day and every time that makes people in the world confused, right? So that's exactly what I always think. So my mind is always busy by the world's current situation. That's exactly one thing is the global warming, the other thing is flooding, the other is war, civil war, the other thing just like that, right? My mind is always busy by the world's current. That's exactly what I always think. Yeah. ሁልጊዜ አእምሮዬም ዓለም ያለችበት ኮንቴክስት ላይ ቢዚ ነው ሲለው እኔም ልክ that's exactly what I always think. ሁሉ ጊዜ ማስበውን በትክክል ነው የተናገርከው ብለህ ነው የምትመሰጠው። ስለዚህ just right, this is the right way, please, this is the right way. ስለዚህ መልስ ስንመልስ አይዘር መነሻ ሐሳቡን መሰረት አድርገን ነው ካልሆነ ደግሞ የተሰጠውን መልስ መሰረት አድርገን ነው ኦፕኒንግ ስቴትመንት የምንከተው እንጂ ዝም ብሎ ኤክስፕሬሽኑ ስለአማረኝ I have a new proposed solutions. ስለምን ጉዳይ ነው new proposed solution አለኝ ምለው problem is not raised here, no stated, so that's exactly what I always think ብዬ ልመልስለት አልችልም። Question number 4. Asifa and Mulat, there has been a bus crash today. This is just has been a recent happening information. If somebody told you such kind of recent happening, what is your expected response? Does አይነት recent happening የሆነ ሰው ጓደኛ ሲነግረን ኒውስ ሰማ መልሳችን ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? ሙላት, how many people are injured? It is a really the correct question, please. Do you focus on knowing the number of people they injured during the accident? The driver was careless. It's not our concern, please. We don't know the cause of the accident, so we cannot deduce that the driver is careless. No. The road is more portable. It's not maybe the cause of the accident. Maybe the road is portable, easily drive. Wow, hearing bad. Yeah, this is a new news. Yes, a recent information, recent happening. So, and I can just express my strong feeling, isn't it? Wow, hearing bad. Hearing bad news. I hear bad. Wow, I want to just express my surprise, my feeling which is bad. Okay, right? ዲህ አይነት አስደንጋጭ ነገር ስትሰማ አንተ ሊያስደነግጥ የሚችል ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው ሐሳብ ነው ከአእምሮ የምታፈጣው እንጂ ስንት ሰው ተጎዳ መንገዱ አመች አይደለም ሾፌሩ ጠጥቶ ነው ኬለስ ነው ብላ አይደለም የምትሰጠው። ስለዚህ strong feeling ነው expect commonly strong feeling እና just if you are surprised about the just በዛ event ላይ አንተ የሚሰማን strong feeling የምትገልጽበት so wow hearing bad, I hear bad news, right? I hear bad news. So the answer is D actually. Alright, Mustafa and Tolosa. William's sister has won the badminton, the kind of game, the badminton game. Has won the badminton game. William's sister. William is a popular badminton player. They are from the same ancestor. No, that can't የሆነ የዘር ሐረግ ነው የመጡት ነው የምትለው? I don't think so. Even though they are the same ancestor, one that may not follow the footsteps of the other. ከተመሳሳይ ቤተሰብ ቢመጡ አንዱ የአንዱን ፈለግ ተከትሎ ላይመጣ ይችላል. They may have different moods ሊኖራቸው ይችላል actually. They are identical twins. No, that's not the right response. She is married and has 2 children. That's not our concern, please. Good news. She achieved her dream. Yes. Her good news. Simply it is praising, the praising and ጥያቄ communicative question. Yes. Good news. Yes, right. ጥሩ ዜና አሰማኝ. She has achieved her dream. ፖፑለር መሆን ነበረ ወይም የእህቷን ቦታ መያዝ ነበር። ስለዚህ she achieved her dream. ህልሟን አሳክታለች ነው የምትለው። ስለዚህ good news exactly. This is assertive response. እነዚህ ይሆናል ማለት አይደለም። ከቀረቡት አማራጮች መልስ ሊሆን የሚችለው ይሄ ነው። We have some more response for the opening statement. ሌሎች ሪስፖንስን መስጠት እንችላለን። Yes. Hearing good ልል ይችላል actually. Yeah. Question number 6. Since you are a student, you must work hard. Exactly. I always do. B. Maybe it's true. No, I had to study. My friend is so clever. And not no, intention is not about my friend, but since you are a student, my teacher advised me just that since you are a student, you must work hard, right? Because I go to school without doing the homework, the assignments. The teacher, since you are a student, you must work hard. Exactly, I always do. Exactly, I always do. Yes, ብዬ ነው መልስ የምሰጠው እንጂ ሌሎች መልሶችን ላስቀምጥ አልችልም። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? just ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ ነው። አይሰሪ maybe that one hanging over there seems nice. Buy and sell and shopping. Yes, shopping. Maybe that one hanging over there seems nice. ዛጋ የተሰቀለችው በጣም ጥሩ ትመስለኛለች ሲል ምንድነው የሚለው ሴለሩ? That's okay, I can change it. If you like, I can change it. Alright? ከፈለከው ነው እቀይርሃለሁ አንተ ነው የሚለው. Alright? You are so foolish. No. I have no any in my stock. Stock ውስጥ የለኝም የዚህ የጠየቀኝ. I have no idea. That's not. The answer is A actually. If you like, that's okay, great. If you want or if you like, I can change it. Yes. ጥሩ ከፈለከው ነው እቀይርሃለሁ. Have in stock ማለት ጥሩ. Have in stock. That's right. Secretary. Secretary in colon. Yes, blank space from the secretary. Colon. No thank you, I'll call you back later. No thank you, I'll call you back later. Take care of the expression, the response from caller here. No thank you, I'll call you back. What is the expected expression from the secretary? And why does the caller responses using this expression? Do you know me? No thank you. No. Could you call me back later? Yes, I can. But, no, I am sorry, I can't. Could you call me back later? No response is true here. Can I take a message to her, please? Yes. What do you think about it? About what? Is it possible to get a response if you ask the question, what do you think about it? No response here. Could I take a message to her, please? No, thank you. I'll call you back later. Could you leave a message to him or to her, please? Yes, of course. Do you have any message, please? Yes, of course. ሴክሬታሪዋ የመለሰችለት የሚፈልገውን ሰው ለምሳሌ hello, can I speak Mr. Thomas, please? I'm sorry, he isn't in. Can I take a message to him? No, thank you. I'll come back later. That's the right one. Sorry, just this is 31 Awash Bank at this branch. Yeah, can I take the manager, please? No, the manager is in a meeting. Alright, could I take a message or could I take or may I leave a message? May I leave a message to him? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Go on, continue. መልእክት ትነግሪልኛለሽ ሲላት yes, of course. ቀጥል የምትነግረኝ ነገር. That's okay. I'll tell you, please. Or I'll tell him that ድባቡ called you. ድባቡ ደውሎልሃል ብዬ እነግረዋለሁ። ካልሆነ መልእክት ካለ ጽፋለሁ. And I can. Exactly. Excuse me, stranger and boy. Stranger and boy. Excuse me, blank. Boy, take the first avenue and turn right at the junction. Asking direction. What do you think of the formal common expression for asking direction? We have a lot of expression. Exactly. What do you feel about the way to the bank? It's opinion question, but it's not a way of asking direction actually. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? Take the first avenue and turn right, okay? How many pharmacies are there around here? No, this is not formal and correct question. Can I help you? No. So where is the nearest pharmacy? Of course, an acceptable and meaningful expression. Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? I want to know the place where the pharmacy is found. Take the first avenue and turn right. Okay, thank you. You just make a conversation with the boy that I meet because I'm a stranger in a town, right? Nice. I don't mean that this is not the only expression. From the given alternative, this one is better, right? Thomas and John, how about going out for tea this evening? Invitation. An informal invitation. How about going out for a tea this evening? John, please call to Abel. No. Why? The concern, the content, the intention of the question is let's go out for it. Let's go out for it. Nice. Please call to Abel. No, I don't believe it. Maybe. Yes, why not? Lucy Cafe is nice. Exactly. An informal response here. Accepting someone's invitation. Why not means I'm volunteer. Yes, I'm okay. I like your invitation. I'm glad to hear this. And that sounds really nice, really interesting. Accepting the invitation. Not, I don't believe it. Your pocket is full of coins. No, it's incredibly true. What's incredibly? Now meaning for the given question. So the answer is why not? Lucy Cafe is nice. ቅድም የዘረዘርኳቸውና እነዚህ ናቸው መልስ ሊሆኑ የሚችሉት። ልክ ነው። Neighbor and Wizard Astaire. Neighbor and Wizard Astaire. You snapped me. May I ask you the cause? You snapped me. May I ask you the cause? አንቺ ታምኛለሽ መንስኤውን መጠየቅ እችላለሁ ነው ያለቻት ጎረቤቷ አስቴርን። Right? You snapped me. No, snapped me. Snapped means ታኮርፊኛለሽ ምናምን and you ask sarcasm me. ታሽሟጥኛለሽ. May I ask you the cause? መንስኤው ምን እንደሆነ መጠየቅ እችላለሁ ነው ያለቻት. Of course. Was the explicit expression from Wizard Astaire? Who are you? No. Good idea. I heard something bad. Good idea. Yes. I heard something bad. ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው. መጥፎ ነገር ስለሰማሁ ነው ያለቻት. Good idea. መጥፎ ነገር ስለሰማሁ ነው. I know you are overambitious. No, I know you are overambitious ብትሆን እኮ ለራሷ ነው አይደል? So I know you are overambitious ብላ አዘጋም. Are you from Women's Affair? Are you from Women's Affair? No, እንደዛ ትላት ነው ይወራ. ከሴቶች ጉዳይ ነው የመጣችው አለ. Good idea. I hate something bad. Yeah. ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው. የሆነ መጥፎ ነገር ሰምቼ ነው. Of course. Let's have a round table discussion whether the thing that I heard is really true or not. You're right. So እንደዚህ ብላ መስዋዕት ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው። ስለዚህ ያው በጠረጴዛ ዙሪያ ቁጭ ብለን እውነት መሆን አልመሆን መነጋገር እንችላለን ብለው ከዚህ ዲያሎግ በኋላ ይቀጥላሉ ማለት ነው። Good idea. I hate something bad. Who are you? I know you are overambitious. Are you from Women's Affair? Is an expected expression from the given conversation. So which is not true, please. 12. A patient and doctor. Patient, doctor, look my skin. Doctor, lick my skin. And I snatched it repeatedly. Lick my skin, doctor. I snatched it repeatedly. What is the explicit expression from doctor? Sometimes it may happen ብሎ ይመልሰዋል። እስኪ ቆዳያን ተመልከተው ዶክተር the problem is on my skin ፔል ነው ሁልጊዜ ያሳክከኛል snatched በተደጋጋሚ ያከዋለሁ ነው ቆዳዬና it's not quite normal አይደለም. Sometimes may happen እንዳይ ነገር ከሰታል no you should take a 3-kilometer walk every day. Is it really a good treatment to the problems that the patient told to the doctor? I don't think so, please. You are better use this white field and use once in a day. Asking, giving advice ነው ጥያቄው የሚጠይቃችሁ giving advice ነው የጠየቃችሁ ያ ስለዚህ ነው ዶክተር የሚለው ይሄን white field ተጠቀምና በቀን አንድ ጊዜ የሚያሳክክብ ላይ ቀባው ወይ ብትቀባው የተሻለ it is advisable to use the white field. If not, the problem is becoming worse and worse ነው የሚለው አይደል? So ways of giving advice because I have a reason why I use hard bitter because this problem needs an special and strong advice ይፈልጋል። ስለዚህ እዚህ ተቀባለው you are getting better soon. ይሻላል no treatment so you cannot say you are getting better. ምንም treatment ሳይሰጠው getting better ይለዋል. It's wrong, please. Question number 30. Supervisor and director Could I check your annual work plan please? Asking permission ነው የጥያቄ Director, my daily work doesn't depend on my work plan. No response please. No. The first thing, your everyday routine it depends on your strategic plan, your work plan. So you can use the expected expression from director. Here are my daily routines, of course. Yeah, here is my strategy and I am guided by this. Yes. It's a nonsense question you asked me. No. አንድን የሆነ ሊጠይቅ ሊያግዘኝ የመጣ ሰውዬ የጠየቀ ጥያቄ በጣም አስቀያሚ ነንሰንስ ትርጉም ያልባ ጥያቄ ነው አይደለም ያ here are my strategic plan ያ strategic plan ይሄ ነው and I am guided by it በዚህ ነው የምወሰነው of course the answer is C ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ ማለት ነው here is my strategic plan and I am guided by this ብሎ ለሱፐርቫይዘሩ ይሰጠዋል ከዛ ኦዲት ያደርጋል ሱፐርቫይዘሩ ስራውን ማለት ነው nice student and teacher blank Teacher, take it easy. I know it is your first time. Take it easy. I know it is your first time. በቃ ምን ማለት አይደለም ቀለል አድርገ ያዘው ይሄ መጀመሪያ ነው I'm sorry for coming late. I missed the first school bus. Apologizing, yeah? Apologizing, exactly. I'm sorry for coming late. I missed the first school bus, yeah. ዘግቼ ስለመጣሁ ይቅርታ የመጀመሪያውን የትምህርት ቤት አውቶቡስ ወይ ሰርቪስ ሚስ አድርጌው ነው ሲለው take it easy. I know it is your first time. ምን ማለት አይደለም የመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ነው ይላል may I come in please አይደለም የሚጠይቀው you know I have never come late here በተቻላቅም ነው yes I tell you to come to school late ዘግቼ እንደመጣ ነግሬያለሁ ብለው take it easy ብሎ ሊመልስለት አይችልም አይደል I'm sorry for coming late I missed the first bus exactly take it easy anyway the question is the conversation really focused on apologizing so many expressions for apologizing accepting apology, refusing an apology if the problem is very serious and challenging. Sometimes rejecting apology is true, right? Nice. Question number 15. Bob and Chef, you cooked very delicious food. You are the first in the world. So the content or the intent of the question is compliments. Expressing compliments, appreciating or giving recognition to someone for his not his performance, not achievement. Achievement or performance ጥሩ የሆነ ሰውዬ recognition ስታርግ appreciate, adore, admire ስታርግ ምትጠቀበት you could very delicious. You are the first in the world. Exactly. Do you like to eat tasty food? No, not true. By the way, this is special restaurant. I'm not talking about restaurant. Appreciate for your recognition. Yeah, the restaurant is in the middle of the there's no my intention to ask where the restaurant is found actually. So man ምንድነው ለሼፉ አንዱ ከስተመር ይሄን ሐሳብ ሲያቀርብለት appreciate means thank you for saying this ነው እኮ ማለት ይሄ ማለት appreciate for your recognition means thank you for saying this I'm glad to hear this ነው የሚለው አይደል I feel happy I'm delighted to hear this yes I did my whole effort in taking this skill, special skill, yeah? ብዙ አቅሜን ተጠቅሜ ነው ስፔሻል ስኪል ያዳበርኩት ነው የሚለው ስለዚህ ይሄ እነዚህ ሁሉ መልስ ላይ appreciate for your recognition I'm glad to hear this ነው የሚለው yes ስለዚህ መልሳችን C yeah question number 60 share company and consultant we have decided to close the project share company what is the response of from the consultant that's a nice idea yeah በቃ ካምፓኒውን የፕሮጀክቱን ለመዝጋት ወሰንኩ ሲለው ጥሩ ሐሳብ ብሎ መቼም አይሰጠውም no never you should think over the profit the loss and the obstacles በፍጹም አይሆንም ስለ ትርፉ ስለ ኪሳራውና መሰናክሎቹን በደንብ think over ጠለቅ አድርገህ ብታስብ ጥሩ ነው I don't know about that no this is a really stupid expression you are profitable so you can close it you are profitable so you can close it yeah ተርፋማ ማለት ስለዚህ መዝጋት ይችላልህ no please very stupid the answer is here advice ሰው ሲጠየቅ እንደዚህ አይደለም የምትሰጠው ያ እንደዚህ አይደለም ስለዚህ ፖላይት የሆነ አዋጭ የሆነ ነገር ነው የምትሰጠው question number 70 Mary and Fatima how is the new boss look like describe the new boss ማለት ነው describe ይሄ ማለት describe the new boss The new boss is from Bahar Dar. No one knows about the place where he had been working or he's from. ከየት እንደመጣ አይደለም የሚፈልገው the new boss my friend and he lives next to my door it's not our concern please የጥያቄው concern አይደለም I like the new boss do you like the new boss yes of course I like አይደለም ጥያቄው የምጠይቃቸው I think the new boss is communicator and dedicated to his work and problem solver these are describing for someone describing for the boss not only the boss you yourself also right if you are communicator dedicated or committed or problem solving like challenging work so you can use this expression or these describing words so the answer is ማንምቱልኝ እናውን ማንምቱልኝ ዲ ብላችሁ የምትመልሱልኝ አንድን ሰው ዲስክራይብ ስታደርጉ ኳሊቲዎችን ነው የምንገልጸው እንጂ ስለስሙ ምናምን አይደለም teacher and student yeah well let me give you examples and things will be clear all right መምህሩ እንደዚህ ሲል ተማሪው ምን ብሎ መጠየቅ አለ ምን ፈልጎ ነው ተማሪው well let me give you examples and things will be clear and things will be clear yeah what do you know about noun phrase well let me give you is you right what do you know this is very aggressive expression I cannot ask my teacher by stating this kind of questions what do you know about noun phrase no why didn't you explain about no it's not explicit expression for student could you explain about noun phrase please yeah tell me about noun phrase of course this one is the right expression one thing which is polite and formal tell me about noun phrase አንደኛ መምህሬን ስጠይቀው ጥያቄ ፖላይት ነው የምጠቀምበት ቋንቋ ፎርማል ላንጉጅ ነው ኢንፎርማል ላንጉጅ የምጠቀም ከሆነ በእኔና በመምህሩ መካከል almost closeness አለ the same status ላይ ነው ያለ ነው ግን we are in different status ነው we are in different age ነው gap አለ ስለዚህ the language that I use or students use is formal and polite so the answer is C could you explain about noun phrase well let me give you examples and things will be clear thank you ይቀጥላል እንደዛ the other question Bekil and Hewett the exam is approaching and I am studying English the exam is approaching and I am studying English blank I'm sorry but my friend has borrowed it በቀለ ይሄን ካለ በኋላ ህይወት ደግሞ I'm sorry but my friend has borrowed it ስትል ምን ብሎ መጠየቅ አለበት did you father buy a dictionary yeah ገዝቶል ነበር is that right I'm sorry I hear him dictionary is important to refer something difficult of course obvious no the functional dictionary of course look do you mind if you pass your dictionary to revise the word please yeah የአንድ ቃል ወይም የሆነ ቃል ሪቫይዝ ለማድረግ ዲክሽነሪ ብታውሰኝ ቅር ይላል I'm sorry but my friend has borrowed it yes ምን ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር I'm sorry yes no I'm sorry oh wow I'm sorry yes so let me change this one yes of course yeah yes of course that's the right one yes of course but my friend has borrowed it yes of course my friend has borrowed it በየመልሳለሁ ያ ምክንያቱም ማይንድ በራሱ ኔጌቲቭ ሚኒንግ ነው ያለው አው ቅር ይለኛል ጓደኛዬ ተውሶታል ነው yes of course my friend has borrowed it is your dictionary smart and special no actually ይሄ መልስ ያገኝ yes of course my friend has borrowed it ብያል መልስም ማለት ነው ስለዚህ do you mind if you pass through your dictionary could you pass through your dictionary to revise some words yes these are the right answer so the answer is what D C actually question number 20 patient and reception the patient said I'd like to see Dr. David please yeah Dr. David ጋር መሄድ ፈልጌ ነበር ነው እሱ ጋር ህክምና መውሰድ ፈልጌ ነበር ነው I'd like to see Dr. David please reception Dr. David is busy with a patient yeah he's checking of supervising of patients yes ህመምተኞችን እያየ ነው ወይም እየጎበኘ ነው he is surgical doctor so ይሄን አልጠይቀችውም እኮ she knows the doctor's profile actually yes he has his own private clinic in the town it's not a concern please do you know him ብላ ጠይቀም reception right I'd like to see Dr. David please Dr. David is busy oh do you have an appointment no I don't would you like to see Dr. David yes I would like to see Dr. David yes I would like to see yeah Dr. David is busy with a patient ትላታለች ስለዚህ ምንድነው ትለው በዚህ መልክ conversation ይቀጥላል so the answer is exactly this one these are actually the 20 spoken questions I think some of the questions are communicative some of the questions are spoken I want to give you some clues some information about how you are going to answer the communicative questions take us an examples and know the approaches I think ብዙ ቪዲዮዎችን ነው እዚያ አካባቢ ላይ ፐብሊሽ ኦን ኤር ያደረኳቸው anyway ፍንጭ ሊሰጣችሁ ይችላል thank you